Welcome back to the Time Savers community. In this video, we're going to be demonstrating version 3 of this Chrome extension called idoit. It's basically the same as OpenAI's Atlas and Comet. The only difference is it works inside of Google Chrome. So this is what people have been dying for. No one wants to leave Google Chrome, and now you don't have to leave because this app is not only does it work within Google Chrome as a Chrome extension, which you can literally just click whenever you want to use it, and then it pops out just like that, but it's actually better than Atlas and Comet in many ways. The reason why it works better because of some of the functionality which I'm about to demonstrate to you. First of all, it has this book over here, as you can see where my mouse is over here, saved prompts, where you can literally create a library of prompts for yourself. So whenever you have to do tasks, you come in the morning to Google Chrome and you can just select one of the tasks which have been pre-selected. That's the first reason why it's better than Atlas or Comet. The second reason is because if you click on the gear over here, the settings icon, you actually can create a background prompt which will always apply whenever you're using this agent. So you can say, for example, never, you know what I mean? Just whatever comes to your mind to make sure it does the job properly. And last but not least, the reason why this Chrome extension is better than Atlas and Comet is because of this star button over here. It's called the site-specific rule. And what it is, it's a prompt that's given to the agent anytime it lands on a specific page of the internet. So if I go to My Saved Rules, you see this button right here? You can see all of my saved rules. Now, I have one for Facebook and one for YouTube. Let me just show you what these are so you can just get it and understand it and not get overwhelmed by this incredible Chrome extension. So here, when you want to switch profile, please click on the logo on the top right of the page of the screen to show all of the profiles. So what this site instruction is, all it is it's educating this Chrome extension how to control your mouse and computer. So it knows now when it wants to change to a different profile how to do it. Because you know how you have like elderly people who just don't know how to use a phone or a mouse or a computer or anything for that matter, because they're not used to technology. The same thing applies to these browser controller agents. And so that's what makes idoit looks a bit like idiot, but really it's the opposite. What makes this better than Comet and Atlas is that it can be trained by your explanations over here. So you can train it however you want. Let's go back and look at the rule for YouTube Studio. So to get the tags of any video, you click on the Show More button. So there's another example of a way that you can make this Chrome extension more customized for your needs than Comet or Atlas. Now, without further ado, let me demonstrate the use of this insane Chrome extension, which I recommend to absolutely everyone. Let's go and ask it to do the following. Let's click on my saved prompts and ask it to join 10 groups that talk about tech. Fantastic. And now I'm going to click idoit, which is the button. Let me just show you that over here. You click the idoit button and it will say, let me do your work. So as you can see, it's already saying it wants to do my work, which is a great feeling. And now it's starting and it's going to go and do search for groups. Let's see if it actually does that. It's going to start searching for groups and it's going to find the perfect group. Ready? Okay, so it's typing in the right place, which is at the top of the screen, and it's going to start searching for what we're looking for, meaning for AI tech groups. There we go. New AI technology groups, and it's found some groups, which is fantastic. Now all we need for it to do is to literally join 10 groups which have more than 5,000 members. That's what I've asked. And once it's done that, it's basically completed the task, and that's all. So it's able to join groups for you. It's able to post in groups, sharing groups, etc. So I guess now it's going to look at all the groups and join them all, I guess, because all of them really have more than 5,000 members, which was my request. And it's going to start clicking away and joining the groups. Let's watch that happen live. And if you want to get your hands on this Chrome extension, it's so easy. You just click in the link in the description, solations.com, and then click on the I do it button, and then you can just literally click add to Chrome. I'll show you in a second how it looks. Let's just wait for it to join the groups and complete the task. Okay, it's joining all the groups. That's 5, 6. Fantastic. So it's joined 6 groups. Perhaps I asked it to join 10, and that's why it's joining a few more. But this is fantastic. It's literally joining groups for me and searching for them, finding them, making sure they have enough members, and scrolling down. You saw that yourself. It says join 6, and it's carrying on doing and exceeding my expectations. Now, this is what's special about version 3 of idoit. It actually is meant to exceed your expectations. So if you ask for something, it's going to do it better than you even can imagine doing it yourself. And with that, guys, we finished this video. This was a demonstration of idoit, which is a Chrome extension sidebar, which you add to Chrome like you would any other Chrome extension. You just click on the add to Chrome button, and you can just straight away add it to Chrome, and you use your own API key from Gemini, meaning your information is completely yours and private, and is as simple as that. Thank you for watching this video. This was Time Savers Community. If you like this type of content, follow us for more. I guarantee you will save so much time on your business if you follow this channel. And as you can see, the task is complete, and we finished. And as you can see, you get a summary message over here. I have evaluated step 9. He's joined a total of 10 groups. Fantastic. Now, one last thing. If you're worried about risky actions, you just click on this, and it will ask you before it does any risky actions like posting or checking out or anything like that. That will give you a feeling of security so you don't have to worry. And also, you can do other work while this agent is working for you. You can go to other tabs and use your mouse as you would normally. So you can kind of leave this working on the side and you do some other work. That way, Daddy can come home earlier. Bye, everyone, from the Time Savers community. See you in the next one.